Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the difference between matte and metallic eyeshadow looks. Most people think they know the difference between the two, but I'm going to show you all the different formulas and techniques in order to achieve the looks. Today I'm going to do a matte eyeshadow look on this side and then a metallic eyeshadow look on this side so you guys can see the difference between the two. I'm really excited to be doing this look today because we're going to be using Iconic London's newest launch, which is these. These are the Smokey Duo Kajal liners. Super exciting, and these look absolutely stunning. But first I'm going to build up the base by using a liquid eyeshadow. So these are Iconic London's liquid matte eyeshadows. We're going to use one of these today to build up the base. We're going to do quite an intense smoky eye. So we're going to go in with this shade here, and we're going to be using the shade Rise. So I'm going to get a little bit on the wand. I'm going to pop it onto my eyelid like this. And then I'm going to get my brush and just buff it all out. You want to work quickly with this because they will dry down matte, but this is going to give you a really nice intense base, which is going to really make your smoky eye pop. You just want to make sure you blend in all the edges so that there's no harsh lines. That's the base done. I absolutely love the way this looks. You could even leave it on its own, but we want to show you the star of the show, which is the liners. The dual-ended Kajal features a chunky shadow liner and precision liner to create defined and hypnotic smoky eyes. The chunky side is for intense colour and sultry depth, and the other side a rich precision, which will create an eye brightening smouldering effect, which you can put in your waterline and lash line. These are available in 7 dreamy shades, so no matter what eye colour you have, something will suit you. I'm going to be using the shade Chocolate Brown today because I feel like this complements my eye colour really well. I've got really dark brown eyes and brown always really makes them pop. So first I'm going to get the chunky side and I'm going to go right across the edge of my lash line. This doesn't have to be too neat because we're going to blend it out, and it shows you how easy these are to use. They're also really creamy and super easy to apply. See how easy that was to apply? Literally just put it straight on, so creamy and pigmented. Then you want to get a brush and we're going to go in and smudge that line out. So this is going to really create a nice smoky effect, and it's going to blend into our liquid eyeshadow that we've already got on. I'm absolutely obsessed. That looks amazing. And we're just going to wing that out, and we're just going to keep blending because we want it to be very seamless and to blend into the eyeshadow really well. Honestly, this is probably the most easiest smoky eye that I've ever done. It blends out so easily, like I don't have to put too much work into it. Then I'm just going to get my fluffy brush and just go over just to make sure every edge is blended out. Then we're going to get the thin side and smoke out the waterline. So I'm going to actually put some in my waterline here. Again, you don't have to be super neat because it's so easy to blend out. Everything will just go seamless once you've blended it all out. And then we're going to get the blending brush and just smudge out the liner underneath. Also, this product has been tested, so it is safe to put near your waterline, so it's not going to irritate the eyes. I really love a matte eyeshadow look because I really think it helps define the eye shape. I also think a matte eyeshadow look is perfect for maturer skin because it's not going to sit into any fine lines, wrinkles, or any texture on the eyelids, so it's always going to look very smooth and youthful looking. As you know, I did take my time with blending out all this eyeshadow. The trick is to make sure you take your time with it just so that nothing goes patchy and everything looks very smooth and seamless. My top tip would be definitely to pop down a base before applying any products for a smoky eye. A liquid eyeshadow is definitely a really good trick. It just makes it a lot easier, less time consuming, and I personally think it lasts longer during the night. Now it's time for the metallic eye. For this, I'm going to use Iconic London's best-selling glazed crayons. I absolutely adore this product. It is amazing. It's so quick and easy to do. So let me show you. These are actually available in 11 shades, which is amazing because there's always going to be a colour that you'll prefer, and they definitely have that for sure. These are dual-ended, so you've got a crayon on one side and then you have a lovely glitter glaze on the other side. First, I'm going to use the crayon side to get a wash of colour over the lid. It's so easy to apply. You literally just swipe it on, and these are really pigmented, really creamy, and it's perfect for a base on your lid with a little bit of shine to it. And you can see how quick that was to pop on. And then I'm just going to get a brush and just blend out the edges just so that everything is seamless. Then we're going to get the glitter side. Look how glittery the product is. I absolutely love this part. We're going to put the glitter glaze on, and you want to pack on the product onto the eye. You want to be quite generous with this just so that the glitter really stands out. Just going back in with my brush again just for the edges, just to make sure everything is completely blended out. You can really see that the metallic eye has opened up my eye so much more than the smoky side. It looks so different, but I love both kind of looks. I've just added some mascara to the look, so this is the finished eye looks. I absolutely love them. I don't know which one's my favourite because I like both in different ways, but I really love the difference between the two. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned a little bit about the difference between the matte and metallic eyeshadow looks that you can do. You guys definitely need to go and check out these eyeliners because I am genuinely obsessed with them. They are so good and easy to use. Comment down below which side you prefer, and don't forget to like and subscribe.